We'll say how many. What a day this is. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Hi everyone, welcome back to Flowered. I'm Vrindanima Malik. Today we're going to be making a dangerously delicious recipe. It's that of a chocolate mug cake. This is going to take you less than 2 minutes. It's super easy to make and you'll be able to find the ingredients in your pantry, in your kitchen, for sure. This is also an eggless recipe, so all my vegetarians, make sure you try this recipe out. So let's quickly get all of our ingredients. You will need flour, cocoa powder, sugar, granulated or icing, whatever you like, baking powder, pinch of salt, some coffee, whole milk, vegetable oil. Toppings such as chocolate chips, a whisk, a mixing bowl, microwave safe mug. Now the recipe is fairly simple. All you have to do is combine all the dry ingredients together, then the wet ingredients together, and eventually mix the two together. You will end up with a silky mixture which you're then going to pour into your mug and put it in the microwave. Now depending upon your microwave, it should take anywhere between 80 to 90 seconds. Time for a taste test. My god, this is still hot. This is so delicious. And because it's so easy, I really hope all of you will make it. Please let me know how it turns out for you all. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you in my next video. Bye.